Hi and welcome. We're giving you a real-life look at the Sugar and Salt Scrub Kit by Grow and Make, and we'll show you exactly what comes with this kit and how to use it. Inside is the list of contents and all the instructions on how to make the scrubs and also how to use the scrubs. And it has some recipes so you can just get started right away. There's 3 containers to keep your scrubs in, or if you're making these as a gift, these are a cute little gift to give away or keep in your bathrooms. Then there's 2 sugars and 1 salt pack. You also get lavender, calendula, and some rose petals. For essential oils, there's lavender and grapefruit. And 2 pipettes for the essential oils. For the carrier oil, they give you sweet almond oil. There's 3 stickers for the tops of the containers, so you can just write whatever you like on there. Okay, let's get into making the scrub. I'm going to follow their directions and make one exactly how they have it on their sheet. So first the sugar, and this recipe says 1/2 cup. So that ends up being this full package of sugar. Then 1/2 tablespoon of lavender flowers. 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. And it says up to 10 drops of lavender essential oil. So I'm going to go in with the full 10 drops because I love lavender. Now mix that all together, and do make sure you're mixing it really well so that you don't have any pockets of essential oil or the carrier oil. Just get it all really good and mixed up. Now I'll just put this into one of the tins. This smells so good, you guys. And you can see that there's a little bit left over that doesn't fit in the tin, so you can just have fun using that and trying it out. And for this label, I'm just going to use a quick dry marker to write this out. And that's done. We hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.